ring dinger adjustment. You just want to make sure your teeth are together and breathe in through your nose, out through your nose. I'm gonna lean back in with a little pull here. There you go. Yep. Woo!
That was it.
Deep right to the bottom.
That was it. Wow. I've never felt anything like that in my life. It always feels so tight right here, and it's literally gone. That's amazing. Like crazy, like tight. This is like, wow. It's a game changer. It's like actually like breathtaking at first, but it's like the game changer. I can't believe like, wow, the pressure's gone.